Hey guys, Cam from Barbecue Spit Rotisseries and Flaming Coals. I'm here to answer those questions you may have online or in store. A really common question I get asked is, what is a perfect temperature to be grilling my steak at? Now, I am a true believer in 650 Fahrenheit to 700 Fahrenheit is the perfect temperature to be grilling steak. That's allowing the color to be, those colored grill marks, that really thick black line to be on the steak, so it's incredibly presentable and it's super quick. Now, there are a few schools of thought, but we find that is best and they're the results we get, especially in the Steak Cook-Off Association. For any more questions, make sure you hit us up, subscribe, and we'll speak soon.